Hey guys, it's Ben from Myers Woodshop, and I want to give you a quick tip for dust collection. If you have a bandsaw, if you have one of these drum sanders, a lot of times you get these 4-inch dust collection holes, but you get this 4-inch dust collection adapter to a shop vac, and it doesn't fit on. It's the exact same size, so you got to get another pipe and stick it on, so you end up spending a bunch of money. There's a fix for this. You might already have the adapter in your shop already. If you have a DeWalt planer like I have, I think it's the DW734. It's got the dust collection on the back, and it has a 4-inch to 2.5-inch shop adapter on it. You just don't know that it's an adapter because it's really tight, but if you pull hard enough, it pops right off. This is actually sold individually if you find it online, and this fits really well on the 4-inch pipes on your machine. The example here, it is 4-inch. This is actually oversized to fit the 4-inch on the Supermax, and it fits perfectly. And here's the bandsaw, 4-inch. There's that DeWalt adapter, slides right on. So if you want to get something that works, find this DeWalt adapter. I'll put the item number in the description, and it'll help you out a whole lot.